Let's check out these 2023 Coachmen Prisms and what all they have to offer. They got these sick paint jobs on the Elite packages that are solid all the way across, and let's check out what else they have. Of course, you can get the nice hubcaps, but on these Elite packages, you can get this full Alcoa aluminum rims. They're all on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, so you have that diesel motor, and of course you get these nice, slick, modern cockpits, so when you're driving, you're nice and comfortable. You have on the Elite packages, you have these upgraded awnings with the LED lighting, but of course on the standard ones, you still get the power awnings with LED lighting. On most of the Prisms, you have yourself a nice big dinette that you could turn into a sleeping area, so that way you can have more people over to have a good time. You have plenty of counter space in here on these nice little 24-foot campers. On the Elite series, they are solid surface. On the standards, they're still laminate and pretty water resistant. Got a queen bed in every floor plan they have to offer, so you and your loved one can be nice and close together, but still offer plenty of space. Another great thing you have in these small campers is a full-size bathroom in every one of them, so you're not having to run around and go find the local campground bathroom. And of course, all the Prisms have a nice cab over bunk, so you have plenty of extra sleeping space for when all your friends come over.